what's going on down here. Okay, okay. They still got juice in them. Right there. Because I see people as far as Philadelphia planting sugarcane. So I said, all right, I'm going to try it. So what I did was I went and bought some sugarcane and I cut it up, dug a hole, and I covered it with leaves and fertilized manure. And I put it in there. And so far, if if it wasn't gonna work, this was about a month and a half ago. If it wasn't gonna work, what I showed you would have been dried up. Still got juice in it, and it still got the knot in it for it to grow. So, and I got some more sugarcane I'm gonna plant. But when the tree is cut down, let me show you. What's going on, Craig? Hold on a second. When the tree was cut down, there's another down here. They have these cherry trees, and when it cuts down, I save the wood because you could smoke your meat with them. All right. Yeah, man. When I say the Sister J, big up yourself. When I say the flavor that you get from that meat, that the smoke goes up into that meat, oh my God. A lot of people don't know, brother. I just got home from California from vacation, and people, if you have strawberries, this is my old chicken coop water bucket. If you have strawberries and they're old, dig a hole, put them in there. You see that those little black things on the outside of strawberries? Those are strawberry seeds. Put them in there. Dig a hole, put them in the ground. Put the whole thing in the ground, and you'll get strawberries. Look at these bad boys. Look at them. Watch this. Watch this. That's how I'm going to open the gate. See? All want to come over see me. Yeah, the brown one, like I said, the brown one died. And this is why it died. Let me show you guys. You see the water tank? The one I just showed you back there? I didn't have a heater system in it. I didn't buy the heater one. This is the heater one. The plug in. When it gets cold, it keeps the water from not freezing. So it got cold a couple of times and the chicken wasn't eating. Well, it wasn't drinking water. It just kept eating and it died. So I got the one with the heating system now. Now, since it died, I said, okay, let me go buy another one. And let me see what's going on. Because all three of them grew up together and that one died, I brought in the other one. Oh, they picked that one to death. They feel that it was somebody was invading their privacy, or they didn't grow up together. Okay, when I moved to Georgia, yeah, listen, you can grow your chickens in Georgia, and what Georgia does too, if you own property and you grow any kind of livestock, it has to be a certain amount of livestock on it. You get a wicked tax break.